Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best induction cooktops of 2026, the ultimate solutions for adding efficient, safe, and flexible cooking power to your kitchen. Whether you're seeking a portable unit for dorms or RVs, a full built-in option for a kitchen renovation, or an extra burner for entertaining and events, we've selected the top induction cooktops that combine rapid heating, ergonomic controls, and solid durability. We'll examine key features like wattage, temperature range, control systems, portability versus built-in design, and cookware compatibility, so you can find the perfect induction cooktop for your home or on-the-go cooking needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in and discover your perfect induction cooking companion. Starting off with the Duckstop 1800W Portable Induction Cooktop. This model stands out as a reliable, high-performance choice for home cooks and small space setups. Duckstop is a well-regarded brand for portable induction cooking solutions. This cooktop delivers a powerful 1800-watt output, a broad temperature range from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit, and 10 selectable power levels from 200 to 1800 watts. Its compact size allows for flexible placement on countertops, dorms, or RVs. The digital display and countdown timer provide precision, while the magnet cookware requirement ensures efficient energy transfer. Users give high marks for its fast heating, intuitive controls, and solid value, though some mention fan noise at high settings or limited performance with large cast iron pots. Moving up in scope, the AliExpress Double Induction Cooktop offers dual burner functionality in a single compact footprint, making it ideal for small kitchens, catering setups, or culinary enthusiasts who want simultaneous cooking zones. AliExpress is a brand known for delivering multi-zone units with intuitive controls and solid results. This cooktop features 2 independent burners, one 1800W or shared wattage configuration, 9 power levels, a 99-minute timer, and sensor touch controls. Its non-stick surface and removable griddle pan enhance versatility for pancakes, stir-fries, or sautéing. Users appreciate the ability to run 2 cooking tasks side by side, though they caution that wattage is shared between burners, so both at full power simultaneously may reduce max output. For those seeking dual-zone flexibility without installing a full cooktop, the AliExpress Double unit is an excellent choice. Next comes the NewWave Pro Chef Induction Cooktop, a high-capacity, built-in alternative that brings higher-end kitchen performance into home or event spaces. NewWave has earned a reputation for precision portable units and larger cooktops, and the Pro Chef series bridges to more professional features. While specific specs vary by model, these units often boast multiple burner zones, high wattage output, often 1800W+, extensive temperature control, down to precise degree F increments, and durable build for built-in or semi-permanent use. Users seeking step-up performance from simple burners find this pick offers more control and space for larger cookware or entertaining scenarios. Potential trade-offs include required countertop cutout and higher price relative to single-burner units, but if your cooking demands require serious capability, the NewWave Pro Chef is a strong mid-to-premium option. As we progress, Oemyo Portable Induction Cooktop provides a versatile, budget-friendly take on induction cooking. Oemyo usually caters to kitchen appliance value segments, offering a blend of portability and solid performance. Typical features include a large LCD display, multiple power/temperature settings, and compact, lightweight design for ease of storage. While full specs may vary, users frequently mention satisfactory everyday use for sautéing, boiling, and steam cooking, particularly in tight spaces or second kitchens. Its smaller footprint and ease of setup make it attractive for renters, RVs, tiny homes, or as an auxiliary burner. Finally, at the top of our list is the Chongburt Portable Induction Cooktop, a premium single-burner option that suits both quality-focused home cooks and even commercial-grade settings. Chongburt emphasizes commercial certifications, NSF/ETL, high-wattage versions up to 3200W, adjustable temperature ranges from 120 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 10-hour timer, and 1810 stainless steel housing with shot glass cooktop surface. Designed for durability and consistent high output, it's suited for heavy usage, demanding craft cooking, or backup cooktops where performance matters. Users praise its build quality, high efficiency, up to 83%, and rapid heat response, though it comes at a higher price point and requires compatible high-wattage power source for maximum output. And that wraps up our top 5 best induction cooktops of 2026. From the versatile single-burner duckstop, the dual-zone AMS-Chef, the advanced capability New Wave, the value-oriented Otomio, to the high-power Chongburt, there's an induction cooktop here for every kitchen, user type, and budget. Which one will become your kitchen's new power station? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Check the description for current deals and grab the best induction cooktop for your needs today. Thanks for watching.